In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 top virtual assistant jobs that you can get started immediately that are in demand. Plus, if you stick around all the way till the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find those clients. And hey, if you're new to virtual assisting, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I create a new video just for you. I'm constantly releasing new videos and content for stay-at-home moms, military spouses, and to people who want to work remotely and from home. Okay, music. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is April and my mission is to close the gap on unemployment for military spouses and stay-at-home moms. I'm going to be sharing with you top jobs that you can start immediately that are in demand as virtual assistants. So let's do this thing. All right, you guys, starting with number 1, data entry. Yes, it sounds simple enough, but this is a very in-demand task right now that businesses are looking to hire out. What's great about data entry is that you don't need a lot of experience to start accepting jobs right away. Number 2, appointment reminders. Guys, my entire life is on my phone, is on my planner, but I'm still forgetting things. Appointment reminders are amazing, not only for personal things, but also for my business, for client appointments, personal appointments, and sometimes I'm just too busy to handle it all. Businesses are looking to hire this out right away, and don't think that you have to start giving out your personal numbers or start racking up a large calling bill. You can easily use Google Voice. You can easily set up a Google number and call people all from Google. All right, you guys, number 3, email management. You guys, this is huge and is what I constantly see people asking for. Now, just think about it. When was the last time you checked your own email? How many unread emails do you have? If you looked at mine, it's pretty horrendous. I have over 700 unread emails spread out over the last couple years. I know, bad, right? Well, that's why businesses are looking for people to do email management, to set it up, organize it, color code it, and take care of all of those spam emails, and to make sure all the important emails are organized and put together for them to read. Now, here's a really big tip. If you're a virtual assistant and you're looking to offer this service, I highly recommend Help Scout. This is a great tool to use that actually assigns emails to specific people on a team. Now, if you're an online business manager or you're offering business management services as a virtual assistant, this is a huge tool to go check out. Hey guys, how are you liking these jobs? Does this sound like something that you can do? Are they simple or difficult tasks to you? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's get back to it. Alrighty, you guys, number 4, social media management services. I'm sure you see this around all the time. Companies, entrepreneurs, small businesses, big businesses. Advertising and marketing is all on the internet and on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And no, you don't have to be an expert. And there's tons, and I mean tons of free training out there available for you to learn and start offering these services to businesses. My biggest suggestion is to pick one platform. Go search YouTube, Google, Skillshare, and get all the information on that platform and start offering your services to the businesses around you. This is a in-demand, and I truly mean in-demand, hot job people are looking to hire ASAP for. All right, you guys, and last but not least, number 5. Are you ready for this? Community management. And I want you guys to take a second and think about how many groups do you belong to? How many communities are there? Well, let me tell you, a lot, and not just on Facebook, but LinkedIn too. Groups are being formed everywhere, even on Instagram. Businesses are looking for community management, and that could be you. Think about all the rules, adding people, monitoring, making sure people are following those rules. It's a lot to do, especially if you're doing it daily and because groups are 24/7. So that's why this is a in-demand high field for not only social media, but also for companies as well that are that have groups like in Slack or Voxer. Entrepreneurs, small businesses, big companies are all looking to get this field and have somebody they trust who can take care of their community and to make sure their audience is being well taken care of. There's a lot that you can do as a community manager, and that's why I believe it's a very hot job right now that people are looking to hire for. All right, you guys, there you have it. 5 top jobs that you can do as a virtual assistant that's in demand right now in 2019. So where do you find all these clients and jobs? Well, head down to the description and download my free roadmap that I made specifically just for you to help you find clients doing all of these tasks. Hey, if you're a new or aspiring virtual assistant, well, go join my community, Stay at Home Profit on Facebook, and surround yourself with a new type of family that's going to help you reach your career goals. All right, guys, I'll see you next week with more tips.